Get into the 2022 Ram 2500. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, bed liner, heated mirrors, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio. Don't take risks in a truck that's not up to the task. Get the Ram 2500 and power up.